National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rock Island County in northwestern Illinois, western Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, northeastern Scott County in east central Iowa, southeastern Clinton County in east central Iowa, until 4:45 a.m. At 4:18 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rock Creek Marina and Campground, or 7 miles southwest of Clinton, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Morrison, Comanche, Fulton, Prophetstown, Erie, Garden Plain, Albany, Princeton, Cordova, Linden, Lowmore, East Clinton, Union Grove, Ustic, Fairton, Hillsdale, Portland Corners, Fowlerts, and Spring Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.